नहीं यार अच्छा ठीक है, let me start. So hello Hyderabad, finally I am here after being dished by Indigo twice. No, almost twice. So here I am, and yes, I'm feeling quite excited to be over here. And thank you so much to the owners, Shrikant Garu, Dominic Garu. Thank you so much for having me here and making me the part of your success. It really means a lot. And thanks to all media of Hyderabad for coming here, joining us, and adding grace to this event. As we all know that we have gathered here for the grand inauguration of High Life Jewels exhibition. This is one of my favorite events too. You always call me. I mean, this is my 4th or 5th collaboration with the same brand. So I feel really honored to be part of it, to be part of this classy, sassy jewelry brand. So thank you so much. And I'm very excited to go inside and explore the incredible collection what you have recently launched. As you can see, the diamond set.
The diamond store by Chandu.
Yeah, the diamond store by Chandu Bhai. So this is what I'm wearing today for the event. And yes, the jewelry, I would say, right from diamond, silver, gold, platinum to polka, temple, polki, then that jarau thing, everything is there inside. So I'm very excited. I can't wait but go inside and explore the collection. And I request everyone out there, please spare some amount of time. If you don't want to buy also, that's okay, but come and explore. Yeah, come and buy also, but come and explore first and then see.
Just tell about the collection. You have you seen any
Collection, yes, it's being
Your
like
favorite one.
my favorite one. I would say I love temple jewelry and polki one. And today I'm wearing this diamond. This is also looking very nice. It's going with my dress. So I think every jewelry has its own story and it tells about your personality without saying anything. So it's that extra spice, that compliment you what already there, what's already there.
How does it feel when you wear this diamond set?
So I feel so good. I feel like not less than a Barbie doll.
And about your projects coming up?
My projects, 3 projects are going to release next year. 2 are Punjabi and 1 is Tamil. Yeah, that's.
Thank you.
So tell us about this.
సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి అందరికీ నమస్కారం హైదరాబాద్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నాను అండ్ టుడే వీ ఆల్ హ్యావ్ గ్యాదర్డ్ హియర్ ఫర్ ద గ్రాండ్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ హై లైఫ్ జ్యువెల్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫేవరెట్ బ్రాండ్స్ అండ్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తున్నాను ఐ మీన్ ద జ్యువెలరీ ఈజ్ చాలా మంచి గుడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ దిస్ ప్రెషియస్ piece, and everybody knows how much I adore and love jewelry, and my love language is always all about surrounded by beautiful gems and pieces that glitter and sparkle. So I think I am wearing a very nice jewelry by Chandu Bhai, the diamond store Chandu Bhai. So yes,
High Life happening on.
and yes, one more thing I want to share here that High Life jewelry exhibition is happening here in Hyderabad, Novotel, on 12th, 13th and 14th. So spare some amount of time and do come here. Thank you.
Ready?
Okay.
Roll. Hello Hyderabad, this is Dominic from High Life Jewels. High Life Jewels opened in Hyderabad with over 150 jewelers from across India, renowned jewelers from across India, who will display their in gold, exclusive collection gold, diamond for weddings, for regular wear to party wear to special occasions. We are delighted that such a large number of jewelers, top-notch jewelers from across the country, showcasing the latest trends and styles, right from contemporary to traditional, besides the bridal jewelry. We hope that women in Hyderabad will not miss the opportunity to explore this largest collection of jewelry under one roof. So it's all happening at Novotel, HACC, 12th, 13th, 14th, from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you so much and happy shopping.
Sir, 2025, it's like a blockbuster to High Life. And
Yeah,
how it is going to be 26?
Well, we had a great year. We have 5 verticals. We do over 100 exhibitions in over 20 cities across India. We do have a presence in international market with 8 countries. So it's been fabulous year for us, and we hope it will continue the same. Thank you so much.
How is Hyderabad's response?
Oh, Hyderabad has been a wonderful city. It's one of my favorite city. We're coming back. We have a great crowd, we have a great enthusiasm, and you can see the kind of enthusiasm. So it's been always been wonderful to be here.
How is the market in Hyderabad, in Telangana?
The people are very much, fashion conscious, and especially their weddings have a lavish wedding. So it's been a wonderful experience over here.
Can we think this is the year and say
Well, yes, there is a year-end. Also, the year-end collections to the wedding collections to the winter collections to everything is displayed. Thank you.
My God. You will ask only. If she's there, everything will be taken care of.
The diamond store by Chandubai has always served the best, and today at High Life Jewels, which is happening 12, 13 and 14 of December 2025, at the end of this year we have brought the best collection ever for all the brides and brides to be, and you have it for all the occasion, name it contemporary or traditional or model traditional. మీకు కావాల్సిన జ్యువెలరీ ప్రతి జ్యువెలరీ పీస్ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఆర్టిస్టిక్గా చేయబడుతుంది. అది కాకుండా మీకు నచ్చినట్టుగా చేయడమే స్పెషాలిటీ. అండ్ ఇవాళ హై లైఫ్లో ప్లేసింగ్ దిస్ స్టాల్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ రియలీ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఫర్ అస్ ఆల్సో. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ వచ్చే క్లయింట్స్ అందరూ కూడా దే నెవర్ న్యూ దట్ వీఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ సంథింగ్ రియలీ స్పెషల్. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టాల్ ఇక్కడ మంచిగా ఉంది, అండ్ ఇక్కడ మా కలెక్షన్ మాత్రం తప్పకుండా చూడాలి.
Done.